You saw the thumbnail and you're tired of your Mac looking like every other Mac. What if I told you that transforming your desktop from boring and static to a stunning live wallpaper is just a few clicks away? Welcome everyone, it's Musab, and today I'm showing you the single best app to bring your Mac to life in 2025. The app that makes this possible is called Dynamic Wallpaper Engine. You simply install it from the Mac App Store, give it permission to run, and you get access to thousands of incredible animated wallpapers. The best part is the performance. You can set it to automatically pause when an app is full screen, or when you're on battery, so it won't slow down your Mac or drain your power. Now, on the App Store, this premium app is a one-time purchase of about $5, and it is worth every penny. Beauty, because you're a subscriber, I want to hook you up, if you want a gay. Dynamic Wallpaper Engine for free. I've posted a direct download link for my community over on my Telegram channel. Just use the first link in the video description to join and find the download. So, what wallpaper will you pick first? Let me know in the comments. If this helped, please smash that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.